here are different fonts that you can use for your thumbnail design. If you're thinking about what font can I use for my thumbnail design, these are the fonts most YouTubers use for their thumbnail. We have Archivo Black. Archivo Black is beautiful. You can use it for your thumbnail. We have Poppins. Poppins is also good for thumbnail font design. We have Leaks Pattern. It's also beautiful. Anton is also beautiful. You can use it for your thumbnail. So you can see here, this is Anton. Anton is a good font that you can use for your thumbnail. Let's take a look at another one. We have this is Leaks Pattern. Leaks Pattern is beautiful as well. You can use it for your thumbnail. This is Roboto. So take note of these fonts in case you are designing your thumbnail. This is Gotham. Gotham is also cool. We have another one. This is Horizon. These are both fonts that you can use. When you're talking about smaller fonts, you have Galicia Indifference. This is another Anton. So you can use Anton for both big size and small size. This is Leaks Pattern. You can see that majority of the thumbnail make use of these fonts, so nothing stops you from using them. This is Zume Rough. This is Impact is beautiful too. You can use Impact. Take note of this font name. This glowing you are seeing here is an effect you can add to your font. If you watch my video on how to create YouTube thumbnail, I showed you how to add this glowing effect if you want to, so you can just check my channel for the video. This other one is called Patanakan, so you can try out this one, Patanakan. You can use it for bold font and small font size. This is Decalotype font. This is Barlow font. These are fonts you can use for your thumbnail. We have Decalotype too. This is Decalotype. So these are amazing fonts you can use for your thumbnail. In case you are looking at what kind of font can I use for my thumbnail, these are font names that you can use. To help you get it quicker, you can come over to Canva and check out their thumbnail inspirations. And anyone you like, you just select it, make your editing, remove the images, the elements, or the text you want, and add the one you want. So I hope this video is helpful to you. You don't need to worry about the font size or font you are going to use for your thumbnail. Just use these existing fonts and you will create beautiful thumbnails.